Okay, so what we have today is a 2011 Nissan Titan. I just got this one. I'm going to start with the air filter here. I know it needs one because I checked it last week, and I picked up a Wix filter. This one actually has a K&N in it, but it's very old and falling apart, and I'm not really looking for performance gains, so we're just going to swap this one out with the factory OEM style and go from there. The one thing I do notice that's weird, it might be hard to see here, but this center, this guy right here, pin isn't in, and it looks like the bottom of this box might be warped from heat, maybe. You can kind of see this one's not quite all the way in, and that center one is pretty weird. I don't know if I can fix that, or we'll have to use some speed tape or something. We'll take a look and go from there. And here's the replacement filter I've got from Wix. It is number 46213. That's her. Interesting dimpling there. Alright, well, let's get the old one out and go from there. Alright, so we've got two clips on this side, one there, this one, they face the opposite ways, and then there's 3 pins on the back side here that it just slides down in. In order to get a better look at it, I'm going to take this top cover off. It is an 8 to loosen this guy up. That should be enough. Okay. There we go. Be careful you don't damage the wire here for your, I think this is the mass airflow sensor. I'm just gonna lay this up here like so, and you can see, oh yeah, the bottom of this box is warped. Take a look at how warped that is. Now I don't know if someone assembled it incorrectly maybe at one point and it's rode that way for many miles. There's a hairline crack right here in the box, you can see it. So like that pin was pushing down for many miles, and that's probably what warped it. You can see this old K&N has not been maintained at all, and the rubber edges are, it's just starting to delaminate, so we're gonna get rid of that. You can also see all the dirt buildup coming in there. Alright, so I wiped out some of the dirt here. After looking at this, it's quite deformed. I don't know if a heat gun would help, or if I'd ruin it. I think you just need to buy a new bottom for the airbox here, but maybe we'll try a heat gun. This is all aluminum. Okay. It seems to be a little better. Let's see how it lines up now. There's still a little gap, but not much at the bottom. So I think we'll assemble it like this, and then maybe we'll put some speed tape on there. That'll help. Oops. All right. Get this guy again. Like that. And then get our pins in the right place. Okay. All right, there we are. All the pins are in now, which is way better than it was before. We'll do that. And then we'll retighten our clamp here. This is a number 8, by the way. I don't know if I said that already. Okay. Now, if you're just doing the air filter, you don't need to take this off. You can pop these 2 clamps off, lift it up a little bit, pull the old filter out, pop the new one in. Alright, that's in, that's tight. All these are in. I think I might put, I don't even know, actually, I might just let that go, because it, I'll show you guys here. So you compare it now. Yep, and just drop that light. Of course, why not? Of course the light's gonna fall down, why not? Anyway, see that center pin now? I'll point to it right here, that guy. It's now engaged, where it wasn't before. The outer pin's engaged there. Outer pin is engaged there. So it looks like using the heat gun did reform that pretty good. Once I took the heat off, I just held it in place for a while, like maybe a minute or 2. So if you have that problem on your box, try that. Alright, so just to go over it again real quick. If you want to take the top off, you need an 8mm socket or a flat blade screwdriver. Either will work. These 2 clamps, and then this whole top part will come off. There's 3 pins on the bottom side that are molded in. You just gotta slot it in right. Wicks filter number 46213, and you'll be good to go. It's literally a 10-minute job. Not bad at all. So this is a 2011 Nissan Titan with the 5.6. So there you go. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one.